I love my life. Love my life. I love myself. Anything I do, I do for myself. Anything I buy for myself. You're not taking rest. Yes, so. I want to be on that papa. I want to be on that po. Oh. No. Why say gonna go we mo yi? Gade gbe kwa. Easy. We mo topic ni mane. We are here, mama. What you say? What you do? What you say? What you say? I love my life. I said it, Oga. Nyawi. I don't really care what people say. They call me the beating of love, yes, where you know. If you don't love, share this video, guys. Share this video. Share the video. Don't play. Share it. I don't beat anybody. I'm not share the video. Share the video. Don't play. I don't beat anybody. Ladies and gentlemen, I got right now. What you say? I don't really care what people say. I'm a brown. I need to read this one. Also, with self-love. Many of them love myself. Love yourself first. Eso. Cari papa. Cari pu. Cari papa. Cari pu. I love my life. Share this video. What you say? What you do? What you say? Hey, therapy. Hey. Man, I love my man. If you don't love her, she can't use the bag. If you don't love balls, you can use the back door. If you like, use the corner doors. I'm very correct. If you don't love about this man, you can use the corner door. So guys, I greet you all with better stars. You all know this is Frank Victor, the Umewan of the universe. The social media king, the social media kumbara, the social media otutu no one, the social media enyewa, the social media akobisi. Runga Iran Yanosi Kakobisi. He rock by milk be moi baba with the smart. I deal with my drink and one yon. I greet you all with better star. My Budian day for my office. Now, I'm here to diagnose our sister. Our beautiful sister who passed on, the friend, the so-called bestie, the world bestie, Izzy, patient Izzy Omoruyi. Izzy Omoruyi. Now she I want to reply. I go play a video to her. She said will provide the evidence. Whether with us, where they carry matter go give Monica. Izzy Omoruyi, you say we dey hungry, we dey use light to make money, to eat the feed. Patient Izzy Omoruyi, I go play your video and I go talk to you. Yes. Amaka Moria go get Toriabu. I waiting you the lawyer. I dey Italy here with you. You are very welcome to Roma to do what you know so you fit do. I know they fear you. You too small where I go fear. I might be yourself with your enemy and Italy now. You understand? Your friend that be your boyfriend, I don't know what this guy be. He see me for Roma here. I be not tell you where you go your house. You see me for Africa show when you come buy something. He beg me say I beg concerning your matter. I told my son while I don't rest. You understand? So I know the person where you know if you find you. Then you know you have the social media call the rants, call the make maths. Forget all those your story where you talk say will be Bini. Who follow you do all those kind will be Bini. We're not more shy and after where you be Bini. You be Bini. You love your people. You be Bini. Iye Sharon here. Vous êtes with your Ebe. Iye Sharon once you wear your own bestie, you feel still Disguagua your bestie mama. Who you be with not feel Disguagua? You feel come out can't disgrace your bestie mama with episode 8. Yeah, your man winning. You did bag like dog with a spring needle for yansh. I made a saga away. Me only me saga away for we. I don't want saga you. I see the repeater. Can't start number say. Me no want saga you. It may go where on the whole mugia. You understand? So I don't go feel saga you. The story around you, we are done here. If I can't saga you, it means me I don't even get sense. I don't even know myself. With the story around you that surround you, both with your head level, if I can't saga you, that means me me your boy you no fair carry. Enough. May I play your audio? I bet you can't evidence in one. You can't evidence you keep audio. Evidence to go on the meme. Evidence the meme. You can't be one. I love my ass. I love my ass. I don't really care what people say. I love my ass. I love my ass. My guy don't Talibia roots. Share this video, guys. Nick my evidence when efficiency go your mouth. Decided in the video now say you use this phone. Are you sure it's this phone? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you see? Are you sure? Izzy Omoruyi Enogie. I want to play my whole evidence for you. Share this video and invite Izzy. Invite Izzy. Marry do saga well, and I will not saga you. No matter what, I will not saga you. Oh, no one saga. Oh, no one. You will just see that this person is depressed. Sure, she's depressed. Just have to let her be. This video, this phone. Let me search for the video. No does he well Baba. Well up Mama Baba. Obi Baba. Oh well no does he well Baba. Even na young monano before my business. Just see my ball Baba. Just see my ball Baba. Hey, that was I see you Hato. Now let's go there.
You can't want it when I say.
The listen though, Izzy Omoruyi.
Just now. When Monica talk saying Izzy mouth. He forget everything. So when we talk about that video, Because Izzy did deny, say she don't know what she don't know too. All the right what she did right ever since.
Izzy what?
For you, we'll talk about.
Sharon not see person carry her family matter again. She can't say now you Monica she want give. No, now Izzy give me the full 100% contract. I may not have Izzy now.
Naijawatch, my people. She said not be Mama Sharon give her contract to. Say na Izzy.
I be no one drink alcohol.
Yeah, give her contract. Yes, waiting they could call the cry
For
now.
this matter.
Eh? So now you come Monica, they cry Monica everything where they happen. Now you not send Monica message. When I listen.
I be no one drink alcohol.
100% contract. You can't reach there. The person will say you buy. You not go buy.
Izzy, you tell me when beer.
And this one will say you go buy. He already give you everything, proof and evidence of go buy. And I ain't want to report to police like una so. You may
tell me beer. I'm just a Christian today.
And no matter no man or I say what him we where him may release a secret on one of the world releasing was a civil. Monica, talk with you, talk with you, Monica, you're Monica, the secret went over all and that we ain't going to go nowhere. Where are you going to go? Why are you so bad? But that's social media if I get. Oh, I'm not getting here.
Bon, I share the video. Izzy there.
Oh, man, in your way, I have a social media. Where? Oh, he may go more with you.
Bon, I give you love. Like, what tons of people now? I will play Izzy.
Huh? Rosemary Johnson, not that problem though. If now Mama Sharon, I give me the contract, enough for the green water come. So, if you, every no, we have a book, Westward. Oh, my no, they give more in the act with the social media. You get on. You're fearing me.
Naijawatch.
Walk in a king. Won't see a man, baby. Who's your man, baby? Who's your man, baby? I say, Romano, see, Koyo. Koyo, Pugi, do. I say, Romano, see, Koyo. I say, Romano, see, Baba, get where my man. Zero binu women.
The same message, why don't you hear me? Make it Savannah. You will work, but oh, yeah. I send all this person, they say, by you. You never see him for free. And that person now, they go confess.
You the call presenters. You don't want my contact. Eh? See, I'm nice, you call her. Okay, what's it coming to the insult? Since I used to send a message. Huh? Why the right say, now some people create this one, now some people buy this one, now some people do this one. Whereas, now you send a message.
Message, I tell you, or man, what you, shut up, man. I'm going to report you to social media people. They'll know. Oh, yeah, now. Go report me to police. Let the gun.
Enogie not go fit save you. Izzy.
Now, you know, send a message.
Where?
Everybody is going to go watch every video.
I'm not to report to what? Not to report to me. You don't give me.
What are you?
Yeah, where the fee. Fee go play for now.
Yes,
now that time I go no fat, don't know what you know. Deep pattern.
Where? Easy.
Okay? Sumon shikolo not so.
What can American?
On say no go me. On a head no see.
I don't have information here
because the laugh ya me magi tell what I need me. And what I wear the guitar in that way at the lie. This is the talk of me.
Okay.
If I need to was for me now. If I need to, well, okay, no care or judgment, the way my judgment.
Okay.
Yeah. measure the man okay. Atai where era lume or jalume.
What are you? Now let's go to Sharon's video.
Okay.
Sharon debunk on this video. Sharon, you Sharon Izzy total. Yeah, but video when it do go again.
Colleagues don't send me that video, and a lot of my followers don't send me that video on my WhatsApp.
Yeah, man, send the video part of where they watch us. Not be like. One of people you win are not busy.
So that video,
that
videos not they send for me. I don't watch two.
Sister busy
one
body.
inside I never watch. I'm really measure. So the first one, you get one part where they cut where Monica for the do live video. She come talk say me Izzy call her. Now me give her my friend mama issue. Me she come talk for social media. Say me, now I call her. I give her my friend mama issue. Come talk for social media. He said, I can't present as it to Oge, but Oge so you don't understand because mama tie where mama mwezo nwe nuta udo wani mwewi kwe uwagege famegbe ubame Oge emi ni ma umwe yo megbe una again man Oge we than 1,000 people what Oge nyame e ma mu e kianwe people will actually believe you now in 24 hours now come and bring out the proof ni atiwe ni mavuwe ya gwan mavuwe na gwan atiwe na we oh just even like you to go make bell in fact if you wait at social media me can hold them if you see me or matter man story me go at social media we have never talked to that side because a private matter yano
Izzy. Izzy, my beautiful sister. Remember my logo for this social media. You can only control truth forever. You can never control life forever. Izzy, no more. Let me flash you back on what you just said. Osewe has never discussed anything, their family privacy to you. Osewe, everyone in family larger. That's what you said. So when did you hear all the story you said you live against the mother? Izzy, where did you hear all the stories you said your episode 1 to your episode 8? All the bad things about Madam 50 Cent you said all throughout your episode. Who gave it to you? Who disclosed all those things to you? As you say, as you claim, as a very best friend to Sharon. Izzy. It's a question, bro. Don't play. Monazon. Epa wa where ka obeyin ati wo ku epa wa ati we. Okagbe o Sharon we, okagbe o pa me. Go take na mo Sharon you. Izzy Omoruyi, the Okagbe of Sharon family. Where ka now? Adam yo ni ma yota kwa yota. Na kwa afia kere waga ze senior go na ze si bon na smart na do no Sharon. Ko ma gia yi ogbe ma gia wa obe go zubu. E Sharon e Sharon ye be be ni je ni wa kian yo kian re. Ni na so wo onye wo social media o live video. E so we Sharon ya fi na rabet in Nigeria. Oh God. E so we ya fi baba Jebu. Okpa fian. Oh God. What the life? Ose buna mi wagbon. Whatever one months yo. Mona share the video. Wari live like yo. Whatever one more or make up na gbe first na gbe second na ya glass emiame na ya do ya analyze. Mane presenter my so my we makele live video. My so ma pako makele live video no ga ajima. You know ya team abegbe. But Izzy no your mauji no a best friend of Sharon. Iye ku SSS. Ona mo egbe seleke. Ona you kun ona me spray perfume. Ona total out the camera. Ona we editing. Ona so one color been at newspaper. I do my trick. I want young. As I think about Sharon matter, Water run through. Water run down my eye. Now the Agbona was say, such is life. Iriagmo J. I was no we young with Keran. It of my boy. Ian Hino give no who here. I will know we are my bestie. Boga Aragmo. A year lost lock up. When I go see this Sharon post away at 4 years, so this is from Ehan. This one I found Ehan. Não ko ye pe hian eziza ogun ogbazin
ere le gbe omubuta
uwe Sharon tere le gbe e Sharon tell me family log ma we e tell me private log yan mi je ma we e me le gbe Sharon e Sharon ta ma we e mi ye Sharon we ga ta lo live video we ra hon ibi de wa da we ho ka ho total nu ka ho ki dia make you ka ho e Sharon ka ho a da we ho e Sharon tell e family log ma we e me le gbe o ta ma we e mi yan we ga ta ko sani ye Sharon we are in a home. Mande yota kwa yota. Adu ami ho yeme. Akoda na hiane. Ga ga soke na ga zegiri. Isaga bobozi ogukun ogwawa parastamo. Oye gbe ye so e. Iyare.
Anyway, daughter Shami, only women that come home for the first time.
Okay.
So he made a shock. And this one we target. Oh, there was one now where Izzy. I know the secret where you want to talk. Now your mouth before even hear the secret because me not even know. Yes, I did read you, but yeah, not the person where they come outside. You don't want to ladder. So now, 24 hours, provide it because Ogeni is too big. People are carrying it everywhere. Go say down him. He say me where are they? Ha, when? Mavi when I go, in a hammer with you. Yeah, where the man I did do. But so I said an overlooking it. So Ogen some.
Move beyond the marketplace and get more control when you sell with Shopify. Craft your brand with customizable themes. And own your customer relationships with built-in marketing tools.
How about the law now? Yeah,
with Shopify.
Smetti di fare trading solo per il gusto di farlo. Con Funded Next.
Bring out the proof me the my way I want young so you just make we are the game my hand I want to see the proof now. Then the second one, Madam Stainless. It tell Madam because at a time few years ago when I be more in a year with me once in a year with me because we had to my vacuum. Eti mai me yawo. Mama team where your body be mana. Iya tie we zo egwa me se. But ina o na awwa. Na do even na ivieto masile gbekia. E na onwa. So lo na be yuki adolation e na be calm down. My birthday settled a few weeks ago with TikTok. So I felt like una don't want anything. You're supposed to even write me or even contact me before. Okay, like a shiny down to una attack without even confirmation. We met here, Mama Sonia, Mohammed, Mama Sonia, you know, Shamida. First, I started seeing Mama Sonia just last week, Ivana. A year to a real live video, a year to a better TikTok. Yes, I know her because she's a spectacular woman on a blue hair, so you must notice her. But wait, men is in multi in a do tell me just say my hair in a way not provide them with the proof now because to talk is very easy. I might believe one already in Megalino, immobility, but why are going without any proof? Yeah, it is money don't tear, but what in the bebo medi mogelita, nebo bogame, not bene, elgame, not bene, the mogeli call him at Sonia with phone. The body may not boo and not tie because
now let me reply. Let me read what Monica said 15 minutes ago after Monica watched this your video. You understand? Monica, she wrote I write up what she wrote out. You understand? This is Monica write up, baby. Monica and Baby Velati TV. He said, Izzy, now what for you? You no even swear. All this your talk, when you talk now. You no even swear. Matiebo, you dey pity me. Or who tell me? Question. Abina Sharon tell that we be friends? Question mark. I am coming soon, my people. Izzy. Oh God. When Monica told me, go to write again. 11 minutes ago, say she called me a liar. Come on. Monica called her. Say she called me a liar. How dare you? Oh God. But everything I said was valid information that she later confirmed. Everything I said was valid information that she later confirmed. Okay. Easy that we are.
We must understand why we have more without you don't even want to confirm for me to even ask me first.
From your episode 1 to your episode 9, when to tell episode 9. From your episode 1, Izzy Omoruyi. From your episode 1 till this particular episode 9 now. No way you scatter the leg. We are break the leg table. The social media they calm down and you are breaking the leg again now. From your episode 1 till now, nothing where anybody talk will be truth. No way what tell you why matter. Boba negwe. Right from the episode 1 up to this your episode 9, you are always the truth teller. Why the 30 presenters are always liars. Maya watowe. Varina ho gani maka emeni matana imagina ho alita emi ma. Varina ho na. Varina ho.
How long are you guys going to continue like this? What is your happiness in this? I'm going to take away the Wahuna. If I saw a bowing, I think I'm going out. If I saw a don, if I saw a when I get in Watana making us say people feel it because a human being is getting or not through them. So you guys should do better. You guys are not trying at all. Then let's go to the third one, Frank Vito. Frank Vito, where is my Monica? The Monica might go in my favor.
Where? Monica, Olakoko.
Monica, we just say, but Monica have to turn around. Can you provide the proof, Frank Vito? In 24 hours, can you provide the proof when men or when we just say Monica?
Oh, when you are never doing it.
Very easy.
Easy. They know what you want to soon. Womanati will know what you done walk bell. Easy. If they born you well, may you try yourself for this caliber you do so. If you want to wear it, even less early. You understand?
If you're using LinkedIn ads,
easy. Even where we are at you, Italy now where we go. Even when we are at you, Italy now, midday Italy here with you, do one. Where? When my boy also we wanna see Zoe. Where social media awareness now? Where release our money? Our money we release now. Or ban with it be easy. Our money ban with it be. Well, all working. Where are women? Where are we? Where's the work here? Where be your way? No one sees our one. No, we are not season, we are to Tanya. Where your will collect no you could be. No moon, where my Jenny is well. I will be to where I'm with you. Why your mother was ye? Nijwe. Not to Tanya go away. On your new bad with it, big man, we were here, kick be, you know. Also went on air with kick be. Also went on air bad with a good wicked bitch. You are looking at me on my way. Obviously, when I'm moving, Mama girl. Mama girl, no, Izzy, your mama girl, no, Mama girl. Mama girl, no, Mama girl. When I said this thing on a live video, now Izzy, anything no your chamber not concerning Sharon, no your possession. Viogina, evignamo, Viogina, oini, ore no nyam, ore beno, say. Vonama mukui. Voyez, dès que noye, de Facebook ou on de page noye, a posté mimi up and down, a post all. Voyez, get it. Where the get it? Oh, now I don't want chance. Let me do my drink first. When I said Izzy return the baby to the grandmother, I didn't mean any harm. This time because I know what is going to come in future. I know what is going to happen. That's why I did that video. Izzy, you came out. You started writing. And then the fellow drag picking. And if the grandmother say one carry picking, they come carry picking. It made the grandmother come your house go carry picking. Like seriously, I was like, wow, this is full disrespect. Who carry your wow? Wish me I know. That's my problem. That one of your family, you should not concern me. My comment, you understand? But your own late friend. And she deserves respect from you to her mother. If you really love that woman. Or you started writing episodes of how to come and disgrace the mother on social media. That's one episode. You know, they are disgrace here. Me, I get picking. I bet you deaf. You know they watch my video, you know they see my son, they call me every time. I get picking wella. My son is 10 years now. You feel me? Me my na easy. IVF now, they easy now. On my wife IVF no be 6 children, I not call you way. At the end of the day, we miracle no. We're not scientists. But I was going to call them a miracle, they'll call them. We know you miracle. At least don't be a mobile. My wife, you're a minute, you're a zero gauge, you're going to person you go see you carry. You will deal on the looking for some time. Last time you ball, you don't want. You understand? It happen. It run out. I'm going to on a wing yet beer. Now your money, with your money, with it beer. You go well. Oh, you'll be a dog, yes, I get it. You understand? So nothing will not be possible for abroad now. For me, you get your woo, you get your money, you go bump it, you go buy. It's not now. You get your money. If your woman is better to carry bikini, another person will carry for you. It will be special arrangements. Also, the Bulmagina. So, any drag of your one is very simple. You understand? Do you not kill you where you move? But I won't have for you over. One man like on him. Because maybe you know, like a slow, steady. Meanwhile, something. You know, that is my small cassava now. Now, why are king with? Make sure we are swear. Yes, we are in our tea. Master. So easy. That is so. Master. Sister, that is so bolokorekia. A sister, that is ya bolokorekia. A sister gagi so bolokoreka. Inya ore banyo ye. Oh, do you want to share generation? I see you off with my O2. Cooking with barista. That's my O2. My O2 no. Me why you call me America ibumag mo se O2 cooking with barista. Barista de nuga do paper one. Then no paper one abeto abu guy we zoro gauge. Barista we are wearing your 6 children over your back. Barista I make him 12. Because I want testimony to be double. My creative football team in Netherlands. Omega football team in Netherlands. Barista do me you come collect 12 children. What are the Netherlands? Yes, you can be born in Netherlands. You'll be a Netherlands citizen. Izzy. Oh yeah, Gumeguma. Talk to me. Izzy Omoruyi Gumeguma.
But now we do manazuno. Why do we do the silly big?
Yes.
But why change? Why kill?
Izzy. When mana we do, I don't we do the silly big. Also, na give work be magbe wule. Abo me boa. We sister, sister Izzy. We say Coastal. Amogo. Let us say. Na give one. La wat we. Coastal. Izzy. Ni mana we do. Also, na give me. Na the we do the silly big. If really dog believe so will take away your name mana get all we do. And you know ovion gbe yo. That particular statement you making my sister. It was a nice one. If really dog believe what your name. Now do a gele we do. No gele o je do. Do a gele o we do. Do a gele o we do. No we omora woman or balos of posisi is it total. Yeah, here to everyone because owo kan rewe ige owo kan. Who's we video don't see ke mommy we with the mommy sit down. Waiting I not go feel understand. Let me explain to me. You know how we do. No we omora woman or balos of posisi. If you know that, and as closer you are to Sharon, you will not arrow Sharon for 6 months. Umaye here. Easy. I am telling you, now. If you stay with Mama Sharon and the baby for 6 months, you never try. If they go here say after Sharon die, when they want to celebrate 1 year birthday of Sharon's baby, you have been in that house taking care of Sharon's baby for the past 1 year. People go worship you. They go respect. They go no say no get a head or more a woman or balos of pussy. Easy will easily be healed from a wound by seeing you around her with the children. Easy will fastly sharp be healed by a wound by seeing you around her with the children. As Iyomo no be ekpari agwa ona dego se no somo. Emi no we seti uni when I give you more hapa na when ye zero one no me no se we no kpari agwa ni as a good friend. Total document lot chowe. I say no see you kegbe no down so that do ma understand if no explain we. If you are really a good friend. My sister, I put it to you, you are a bad friend to Izzy, to Sharon. What's your bone? Or say no gapping, or say Nick Bogui. Thank God for social media to expose useless friends. And now go and feel by your money. Am I not eating easy? Agboyasi Koko, am I in Roy too? God have mercy on us. For your mind, you dey talk. You can't forget say men of wisdom. Men wey mouth for brain. They go watch the video. Women wey get sense go watch this video. Una mia. Una do atale to social media. For those charlatans, all those noise makers, ni mighty bow we gbiyan for ni ya how content ni ya analyze. May God bless you Izzy. Izzy has spoken. God bless you Izzy. Ige we kwena giekwa. Izzy no we Omoruyi. I don't my drink. Awanyo. Gumegwan ya anwe ti me wa komo mozo.
Wa wona le na akwe wa de yove ya wa de yove. How do you feel? Obiedo otumbo obiedo magbazun ledo. Wa mu ya gboto wa to renyaya. And you are happy with it? You are happy? Or what anywhere?
Izzy, tell. Do. Why is it counting the police station already? Izzy, can you pick up a pen and start counting how many police stations in Benin? Why is it counting the police station in Oredo State? Now, if Benin was calm and peaceful, as we all are in Benin, I dominated do Iriedo. Who are the people living in Benin? They are Benin people. Alongside with Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, Calabar, everybody combination together. Now, why they go create police station for Benin? Since we all now Benin, Oma akeni ma won je police gbeguma. Oma akeni ma ari agbema. Vinya guje police station edo. What is police station made for? Easy. Now you are the asked question. Come answer now. What is police station in Benin made for? As a Benin person, we supposed to get police station. Then why we get police station? Why the characters they go courts? Why we get courts? For social media, we have different dimensions. The same way for Benin, we have different police stations, we have different courts. Don't play. You don't forget. Even for this Facebook, so we have courts. I mean, you don't know. For YouTube, you get courts. Easy, you don't know. Are you not a content creator? Are you not an influencer? Actor, director, moderator, whatever you call yourself. Many demon without arts. Now, over here though, my colleague, mom, we do but we don't you see. Where you drive, they go across the side. Your manager, where you manage. Right? Oh, what? We not saying we not look at me now because we are book illegal. Na go book illegal. Yeah, tired to see. Na people what we have done. Bien tired to see anya na mawa. Ne Sharon ya wa ko be post e page oge. Sharon wo de ma many days but ko be na pare Canada na na ya ku Canada. O ma say, re agun wa. Una we dey worship for the make them. People are fools. Oh, when they worship you and they make him, they don't know you people. When they need your help, they will drag you together to each to their self. When they are true with the help, they flee off. I could be a now. It will either goes to DJ Jeff or come to Izzy or come to Sharon. He will use them around himself. Feel as if they feel at home, like weirdo, my have problem that you will know if you don't. Now that you will know Sakobe, don't know whether they exist. Get issue, and then you will know say Akobe don't know whether they exist. When Akobe needed your help, that is when it's there. After that one, what you love, it don't go. Una wait there for they do a miller. What they call Bremen City for Germany. Carry for me, you call Akobe when I go answer you. Bieka era la buanya metifo enya hu ina ati ewe bo ni na bunya mo wani ya stage ina level ebu they will make we go na do no wire UK na ni wale pepper ni muno UK na wo yo ebo ni wale pampa ni muno ya na no de bia sin ke yo he or you ni no kwari le oni when wa ke yo he ni wa wo ke yo he o wale ke go UK. Oh, what care you what get with online. Only they are in a below. A below yet you see the way I knew. I was asking care of him. Oh, get the acknowledge. My man, come my back. Mammy had got sugar. My man, come my back. Pan Wahala. I got to bed with Pan Wahala. When they needed your help, that is when you are relevant. I want money Derry. When no matter what, whether it's coming to UK, it's not coming to UK, it's always appreciative. Oi, Sandra Agbogun. She is coming to UK. If I know you're born now, or you're because of comments when I win away. Also, only now why you go, only why you go. You're making now because you know where my brother of Lola level, social media, and a level of the why you go. Only one, only why you go, or why you go. I will be the UK, the America, the Canada, you go, or anyone is so you work what you go. I thought that on my bad. If you're not loyal, you're loyal. But we are everyone loyal for. All those Sandra loyal to the court. Only Sandra. Marastan. Yàrá Frankie wọ́n bí Cassandra ma. Wáyé gbé. Èmi àkèmí ayé àṣírí. Marastan. Yàgbọ́n.
Àgbà tí ègbè òbí ẹ̀dọ́ náà wọ́n wà á tó orí yányá because wà gbàlè délé. Bọ́mọdé yìí ìhùwà yẹn.
We man, that's a boy. Yet don't know to get my mother. You who my Easy. A video na yagu no views no ero. Igo a bokio. Ewe here. Episode 1 to episode 9 yagu no view me. If you are seeing not less than 20,000 views, less or low with 20,000. From your episode 1 to your episode 20. Emani wedene sagaya miese 80,000 views video ni aiwa na shara yaso mayani we sagara ni shara ni mati shara yaso na the noise say 60,000 views in nowhere the noise say 60,000 views because they think you are the closest to Sharon. You are coming to tell the world about Sharon's death. A whole crowd of people they keep on watching your video and you are using the cash out. You they do 7 minutes video, 6 minutes video just to cash out a story you can diagnose not up to 1 hour. Not up to 1 hour stories on live video. You decide to use your brain to create content. You go use it to cash out. He gave me an ego. Manana na ya kwali gave me when I kwali go. Ego ewe anyone na ego we na ego because I will not win. Or see when I woo ewe ya create content ya kwali go. A monetized page. Ego wu oyama oyi ewe waye boya kwana. If we magwalige miame when I agwali wu you have to gidi uwu dogidi igu wu dogidi ewe yi Sharon ewe yo si we yakwa mama my Sharon. I've never met Sharon face to face once. E ma we ba o e Facebook na do we na ya dege. You understand? We could come up on social media to be defending Sharon, defending the mother. We no Sharon, we no he no wije. No, you are Sharon, not even Sharon. You come up and they use man is why mama. Igu we do gwalo. And we are not vet, we are. You don't have issue with the mother. But you will destroy the mothers on social media. Do what I agree. There are still more you don't want to see until you reply. That assuming when you get the reply. Where the book is young, you look at where as before. You Sharon of you. It is shock you have it. That year Sharon Laziness. We go tell Jose. Ye Sharon be. Oh monobio you head your mom adia we. While even am ye when I make from what we you. Has asked I service Epa. Over Sabi make a shots. While we your body, Obiere Wagi. Or is it a woo of an only mona? Una at least makeup. Una at least clean up the jaw to tie the glass jaw. The swan diagnosing it. You are me this one, where will me away. Bonica, me away. Stainless, me away. From Victor, me away. When on woo, Remo, your best friend, no woo. No, I think one. No more seek a Sharon and we seek a Sharon. You might tell if I will know. I'm never kick because I win. Here might tell if I will know. I'm never kick because I win. Be careful. Izzy Omoruyi. You damn you.
Oh, why? You go okay. You palengbe. Because you want quality like that.
So we provided proof when we many things be all call. I want to see all your proofs because enough is enough. Okay.
Who is war? We're dealing with who do women want to allow you provide a good allow. Ni men provide proof when is the be or call like that's more control for Monica. Men not control for Monica with TV the phone. No way. More control for Monica. Oyamoji. More we hung got Monica me here. We hungry my manager Monica. We hungry my manager Monica. Ni na those provide proof no yak Monica. What Monica? Why Monica come go away? Monica go Monica ya we here. Oju when you bought Oju abo or sell in the bank. Why says Monica ban or the bill prove later. Awe anyi ban Monica akpot you. Oh God. Again o make we feel way. O make we feel man na say Monica. All ye genu no kekwa. O se genu hen ya so awia. O do zo bo kwa. O gbi e ya imuguriye. E ya imuguriye. Uma na say Monica e gay. I got to pity you they hype you. I dey pity they hype you. How they hype you no so that they frustrate which they no be. Ye re gbo buyen ti ye wi o wa see your sir. You happy with now? Oh God. I pity you, Sharon, for real. You just want to use this side of my time to finish your career. I swear. You want to use this side of my time to condemn your career. Who may know ye? Who can know ye? What are you going to mon amour, vous m'en derrière. Où est-ce que vous maintenant? Et maintenant, vous avez je vous ai. What are you going to moi, Izzy Omoruyi. Every time you are advice. Every time I do video, I want to give you advice. No, moi. I walk up, but I'm not so. Luenwa no ya gbe ti mo se gbe
olawowo wa se ni aye imame mi wa yi
wa se ni aye
o ma mo se de na mo se o ma do yo bo no se na
wa se ni aye
ma do ya ki oge iye na ti
o se god de la gbe
wala 24 hours we provided proof to all these things wow. If not egwa NSA it's high time we call you guys out maybe Erima egwa or isegwa
yo bagunu eni yo bagunyo we bagunu eni bagunu eni mo ya tele bona ya la dinu tele eruwa nyo gun ga na mo ari egwa omo no wu at the premature age o woro nai eme ya ta ya tini egwa yi eme ya tini egwa yi aram nonsense. But we give me a gua phone. You know, we are back with the TikTok. Egwa. Eruwa. Nonsense.
Ask questions because it's getting too much. Opungbe, Edoide, Olawogo. I need that proof in 24 hours. If not, you actually is on the gua. That is just it because.
Yari begware.
Ready for the best converting checkout on the web?
Epa Eddie. You have a kidney problem. I worry your partner with kidney. Don't match up well. Because all you that kidney you okay with when you and winner say. And winner say you have battle again. Every 5 minutes I charge you. Oh God! Again, now why you getting that? This guy make me laugh. You can't blame me. Not there. I got honey where we kidney problem. You understand? Now we a kidney problem where somehow. Why they blame you? Ayo yeah, okay. Ayo yeah, okay. No allow him more tired. We make berry. Master, I'm more tired.
The same family where kill and finish for power. Now that some family can say, I stand you, Salopana, a family down where they need you, so we should think why you get that why. Or we should not set it women, no set it family, all but we would take in the public, only because Sayo can know the labe. What the public who maybe who no problem, why you vision and no. If you are woman here, who tell Abatina, Abba don't crack come and say, Obishina, you show Okwali, who tell me, Hawaii. Obishe, no Baba, no to Amutano, be by again, what if I jolly go say I have you what a female, Mema, who what, because it is Sonia, eh? Let it a bonny, because young woman. Minimum money meva. If you just saw him, make sure. This type of thing where they talk so. ABC I put on me for this social media. Oh, this thing where me just talk so. Hey, that's why I don't do my own one day. Now so we share, test you we share like this, eh? Hey, Jesus. I don't want to talk. No say na maybe mommy Monica get us I they do my test. So, if you see what your vision to vision, 9 yesterday, I saw that they tell me, Mommy Monica, now your vision come to like that, so I'm not sure. Hey, and Emma now, or vision, and Emma, when I go away, when I am going to shoot when I hear, every week, Sunday, Bobby shoot where. Is you were confirmed? Yes, so crazy audio. Don't hear me. I want to arrive. Don't crazy audio. So find where yes or no. Why yes or no for? You may not have you a Latin no why you have you a Latin. When you are Latin, okay, no your zero pyro. Oh, now who me on my son. And you know can material and was so fun on it while I measure my consigning. But if you don't get anyone, I'm going to be by. What quality by? Hey, Nina don't change it, no, Nina don't want, or we may not do here 10 years, not do I JJ boy. Then Nina don't want, and then I hear it. We are Nello Lekia. You are press a button, you are press a button, you got one Latin. You went to but a man press a button to Yanko, yes, you were beating your own Bini people. A lot like press a button when it always do Yanko, your Bini people. Only when women are. What women are going, yes, where you yes, in a lot of press a button when we. That's the sense you don't have. When I press a button, no problem. Where was when Mama Yang go, yes, and Mama make him here to rag me. When my bag is on a bike, all done and all of we were Galate no borrow a wiki away. Taking a rose white. When I check a working my mother, working my mother, but you will carry your same penny person, you can't disgrace her, you can't disguagua.
Okay.
And then I'm Tana. That was why I dealt with you in 2020. That stupid attitude you were doing to your fellow Bini people.
You go Daro Uzi. I greet you. No mind me, my brother, no mind me. Let me put the look on. Let me put the look Izzy man go say me not going. I say no, I get down. I say, let's get up this beer.
Because so funny when you know oh,
they call me. Nyashina, 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 nyashi, yo. Hello? Hello? Huh? Okay, let me check. Nyashina, nyashi, yo. Where that good in your body, yo. Usie mata. If you make back an answer, this is not a video. It's on our precious Mego. Oh, so we played me yesterday. Easy.
Just imagine if the way she had planned it, you know, she has succeeded with that plan. For everybody to be against Sharon's mom. Guys, 70% of Sharon
exactly. Okay. 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 Okay.
They would have still been their mother's house today, expecting their mother to pay the bill. Look at every that day now. Just 2 days outside, the moment he pay bills.
Okay.
He back home to go and lick his vomit. This is what laziness can cause. This is what, when you encourage laziness, it will backfire on you. They say that we are angry. You know, go work. You know, because all get the way we're going to for us.
Okay.
You cannot boldly tell your children you are going to work. When you win Facebook, you win anything. You win a back way. They remove my monetization and they report my Facebook. Why not here? They report my star.
You see what thing? Usie mata. Ayo we. Udere me no tana. E mata gedegbe nunu me. Egbe ya the bay. Why I talk this thing? Say na e mata egbe ya the bay. A woman na. A Facebook e winner. Yes sir. This Facebook, I don't fit say this Facebook I not collect for it, so I collect wutu. Everything we I get now, both home and abroad, now through this Facebook. When I even they work then, when I really come in 2016, 2017, when they work for this Italy, when they give me contracts, when they work, you go to here, for real. He did blah blah blah. Get the man quit divorce with Nigeria self. He only make sure we do okay. My ex-wife she do okay. You understand? Anyway, I collect money ga winner. Yeah, collect 800 to 900. You money ga winner. You money wa winner. Then you collect the months. I can minus another minus the company guy. You do young man at the end of the movie. I can 700 to 800 dollars. The tobacco farm. Can you life you no farm? You understand? I have all the videos and the pictures there. Contract will expire. If a document may expire, you might renew me. You can't renew me because I got the Verona. Now we take almost a year. Immediately, I'm going to Negaroa. You understand? Yet, I have Facebook. My Facebook will help well. For the past since February, we are 9 months in my now. 9 months in my now. That's like 8 months, since 8 months now. You know, say 1 naira on Facebook, marry. 8 months now. 1 naira on Facebook, marry. You see, video constantly. When you have a video, people this guy they collect to, this guy will collect to. A page now all. You understand? I said it times that number. That's the way what believe you have a plan A, plan B, plan C. You have believe you get Facebook now here every month I was collect. Or you go mate vane. Or you go manyanga kwa. E wala mate de. E wala mate. Anything for this abroad, this should use your don't always focus on this particular brand. Say man, now tennis I all the drink, now tennis I all the drink. But by the way, go reach you know see tennis market again. Where you want to focus on? Again, go reach you know go see tennis for market again. They go see the tennis they don't ban down. But what is now the next level? As a gamma, get plan A, get plan B. No, don't you put your head for one basket. Also, you may see a body going live video. I see they do the video. Because if I lock up, say, okay, now they pay me, I lock up. You see me, if you watch me now, when I talk show, I'm not going to do video there again. It's not going to monetize. They don't demonetize them. Best is not talk show, they don't demonetize them. But the one on the universe, they don't demonetize them. Part for this, Baba with this man. The young content creator. If you click on the young content creator, if you see me, I don't do live video for them because advert not the code there for life. You understand? Now he advert for the corner. And even recently they started to put advert for this one. Because they find the monetization. After that back one, they call release the adverts. Okay, let's see what you get. Okay, now Facebook and they make money, everything. But you give whatever. Before I go see make I go see as a constant balance. I know how many people will help me. Codedly, we say no. Say but they spend they collect money for Facebook. Month go end like they also control me for phone. Alpha. Take this one. Now women, men, saga. You understand? It did like that. Till now, they talk so. Don't be saying our beings. Many men know. They know say family collect money for Facebook. And the thing affects many people. There are some people who have seen they control their Facebook page. You see, affect them. They know they collect 1 naira for Facebook page. They know everything. But France still stand back. My apartment today, see the pay us normal steady. Bills they come, everything they most smoke. You know the reason why I not put my mind for one particular place. Like as a way and the wife just this. That's what this woman they talk. Where this woman will make big sense. Give away. When no more you back. You get Facebook, just focus on Nigeria. Once again, what is where? No, you what is where? No, you a money where they are living in abject poverty. Yeah, if you people are feeding from hand to mouth. What handle people what if I call my lovers, my fan base, what I call it fan base. What handle me what I call it fan base for social media. You don't have anything you are contributing to their own life. They use your own children, they born like chicken till they disturb other people that have their own families at home. They use the convenience of that people that have family at home. When you know very they come down here. I want to buy somebody come and assist me. Who does that? When I know say their own, then they say get their own for us. Or young be if you convenience here, how do they say you be celebrity? They don't know you. Celebrity. If you be celebrity, do give away. They give out to people. Kudos to the very dark man. You don't see the very dark man. If they use the money, they help people. He go to seek borehole for people, community. Ni makere. Now that won't be celebrity, that won't be influencer. Anybody see him, they go celebrate him. You know the reason why? Because he has done something for people. He wants to be celebrated. It is when you will take responsibility and you will be celebrated. And you become a celebrity. What makes you a celebrity? Your acceptability, responsibility. That makes you a celebrity. Your responsibility will make people accept you. And they will start to celebrate you. You decide say they sing one and your music go viral. You don't miss your celebrity. And they never see your shishi. Enogie wala controversial investor Enogie. You don't feel lodge hotel for 3 days. Woman pursue you for house. You don't feel lodge hotel for 3 days and you say you be celebrity. When me I buy tickets, I go buy my tickets. Fast train, it's a low ticket. I go buy a low ticket like this. I'll go other city where I never know. I go order ticket online. I will book my hotel online where I want to stay. I'll book hotel online where I want to sleep. Now 4 days of now 1 week, I go there. I go to do live video. Nobody go to send on my house. Nobody go to send on my city. I go to cash cruise. Oh yeah, I say live video at people Ganya. Who there we know man? You can't say it. In all these that Izzy has said, Enogie don't see anything wrong about it. You don't see where Izzy for make mistake. Izzy is always perfect in everything she's saying on social media. That's the way for you. That's where you believe men say Uzua. Anybody where you support they go wrong. All their wrongs are perfect. But when the both of you now have issues, you could bring them their wrong back again. Because they're talking on live video. You could almost a kata. Even when I'm going to go. Even I'm going to go. You feel that? Even if you don't get to monagele or you can't be my friend and I do evil. You clap and follow me. You are a useless enemy. That's what you see. I pursue all of them for body. Equally because they are all pretend. Even when I'm wrong, they go to praise me. They go to saga where I offended. For them to call me say Agamafa, I know say you my guy. I will tell you the truth and do not my back. So that I will seek reason with okay, good. Life is a teacher. The more you live, the more you learn. Oh yeah, when Izzy Omoruyi, he utter a word. Oh, we do mahin. You tell me how you acting here to but you don't get where you know where you know your home. You know we manage here to sigma, which was a very nice word. Which was a very nice word and a very nice heart as a human, as a Benin woman. But she is saying those things to make to feel as if maybe she's a nice person. Why she's not a nice person? She's a bad girl. You understand? Sister Roma be your mind, sister here. She's a bad girl, that's why they call her girl. You don't know her before. That's why they call her girl. You understand? Dating any tell me, any go egile, only you nyanga na garoto. Then e no talk about the go age. My episode 8. Social media not concern wo sharon. We me call ma, even we ta on no me call no ma. On no gele we na we no carry no we me do sayo. All take baby no na we ba. When I go a man never keep be. When I think total ya get total. Was you with that barrier? Unaga nana, unaga keller, unaga nana, unaga gaga, unaga editor, unaga view, no akuna wakune, Larry was your sister. Look here. You think we are stupid? Who will if he's going to say? Sister Matemata. I want to na ya wona ya wo warere we ya kiri ne wata warere what not as na you talk pass when we get it we get in make any gele kuwe only when we are we just remember na de gbe we gele gbe ko we ta ban we we get we na we do also when I no so anybody e to say you to na say no atewu do we gele gbe ko ni by now as we speak who are we charon who ga ku e wo mu who ga ku mu na mommy wetin I go back for you ahia ayeki o wo hia ayeki ahia ku ya call ye Sharon now wo hia pick the call. If anybody want to talk to my Sharon, you Izzy would have been the one in position to be communicating with people. Hey Sharon, and Sharon my cousin here. Now you and Sharon brother go to communicate flow. Where are we Sharon 24/7? I don't know. I don't know. Sharon, la dialeki, and ya one another. Kademi, you pussy if you buy a poo, and Sharon Mila, ya was that the key. Don't know. Okay, mommy, I don't hear mommy. Mommy with the money, baby. Ah, oh, mommy, I may go back. May I go back this one? That is if do when I get the coin with Taba. That could have been your position. Mommy not saying when my own dog, I said, damn. Okay. I said, down, say, no, mommy, not time away. I'm telling you now. Remember, wait time away now, Frank Victor. Do my own, no, go for that for the lady guy's name. Or Muscle. Or time away now. Just say the mark, and you could have still been in Sharon's house right now. Assisting the mother. Consoling the mother. Consoling the mother. Where. The two of them who are facing business of it. Common sense no common. If he done where the Sharon why do you have the and not cast the media? And you know, see, when if you got la media, and all me get about my branches and edges. They will go to the media. Once it is spread here, it move like this. Go pass here, go pass here, go pass here, go pass here, go pass. No, now me, I'm analyzing my own version. Monica, they come up and analyze your version. Apropos self-love TV media. That one they come. What the favors of it? Mommy, then you go come. You cut you. Every prisoner will come. You know, they don't carry you for inside. So media get branches of ages. There are some good. There are some bad, there are some hatred, there are some jealousy, there are some liar. It fully sad. Bully, everything goes. Anything you defend for this life concerning social media, enter Facebook. Drop your story. Now then you go snow way for error. We are at time we perfect because we are editing here. You did an editing video and post it out. That's the same editing video you think it is perfect. People will clap for you, they will praise you. You post or you upload them. Now then you will come see people will get sense. When you come meet for this like the wise pass you, they will put time for ground come spread down. Just the way they spread down for you so. When I take any me I do beg my sell side beg months now where where you do market my career he got to use against you because well when I be heart with them. Oh when economy my radio or take them without woman. Don't want to get economy no ma gen man. No where Omoga woman or balox of posisi. Where Latin immediately you know Sharon why social media. Do ye do we no gele ho ye no oni mani ye do kugbe na siri okpa. Who Latin immediately you know Sharon no ye da wagu. So we you no wo agu le lo ye no mo kyan wo yare off we gbe saga babozi. Get on the house ayo we. Okay.
Osane say normal winner that is at the mercy of government. Where no promise can come and no move here away, but only a 0-0 na bis. If na bis, may you try and may you get them now. Of your cannot you PSL. Or not one body the traits in any other move of a web. And you think the mother will be happy.
Oh, where you are.
She have given you education and given you the citizenship. You don't expect me to put my life alone. When I'm supposed to be vacation in Barbados or St. Nevis.
Oh, why you are my little? I didn't got you. Oh, why you are my little? I'm going to be thank you very much, Princess Williams. I must greet you off with me. Yaro you. Okoye wato. Inini wade yo.
Everything is planned. Everything is mapped out. Budget. And now the year now.
God bless you.
2026.
God bless you.
Everything is planned out. You will not just wake up and expect me to start running around with your own plans that you brought up just now without pre-informing me. You pre-inform me before you do anything, or if you want me to be part to be a part of what you are doing.
What?
Don't wake up and tell me, "Oh, now invite me at the party when we are next week day." I'm telling you, even if you will roll one. Everything the way boy is planned.
Exactly.
Don't wake up. Those of you there, God power they call other presenter panel there. No matter what, the mother should have not changed that just to cause confusion. Easy, a planning marry work. And I don't wear a rich boyfriend or not send the whole girl and stay you there.
Okay.
And we're going on. But if they are siago we geleki easy no change the battery every 30 days. Don't siago we geleki. When they share wife and walk more go miss social, make they help you. Una don't plan time for that girl. Say your mother has to be responsible for everything. Your mother has to babysit you. Your mother has to spoon feed you for everything. Every step you take, your mother has to be there for you. How the ticket up? While we go there, while we go there, we go there Denmark. While we go there Denmark.
What's your video on the wall? Sorry. Why you love like your name?
Years ago, Mapa, one of the videos, you know, in your car here, I mean, New York, Nigeria embassy in New York, in your car here, and Gano, in your car is there, although Packet, your carry, Yaki, Canary. In your Nigeria embassy in
New York City.
Before, here now, another person here now. They are Yorubas.
Yeah.
The fly are the final winning city. Oh, have a co, oh, in the day, of a combo moto, oh, yeah, here, oh, yeah, pack a side there.